Am I supposed to be paid for my losses before my insurance company recovers through subrogation? Not always. In a North Carolina vehicle damage claim, your insurance company may have a right to recover the amounts it actually paid, but that does not automatically cover every loss you personally still have. The key question is how the money is being allocated. Your insurer's subrogation claim is usually tied to what it paid, such as repair costs or a total loss payment. Your separate losses may include a deductible, rental expenses, loss of use, diminished value, towing, storage, or other documented out-of-pocket costs. You generally cannot recover the same loss twice, but you also should not assume the insurance company's recovery pays everything you are owed. The practical step is to ask for a written accounting. Ask what your insurer paid, what it recovered, whether your deductible was reimbursed, whether any collection costs were taken out, and whether any part of the recovery was meant to resolve your separate unpaid losses. Also review any property damage release carefully, especially if your injury claim has already settled. The release may determine whether those remaining property damage items are still open.